Hi, my name's Cassie. We're going to be going over how to solve for a multi-step income statement in this first part. We'll start with the Faro Company. We need to solve for sales returns and allowances. And we do that by taking the sales revenue and subtracting the net sales, and that will give us $15,600. So then we want to solve for gross profit. This whole thing is actually pretty simple. The gross profit is you subtract cost of goods sold from net sales, and that gives you 27,000. Then we want to solve for net income, and the net income is the gross profit minus the operating expenses, and that gives us $12,460. Now we'll solve for the Columber Company, and this time we want to solve for sales revenue, and we know that the sales revenue minus net sales gives us sales returns and allowances, so we're just going to do it. We're going to do net sales minus sales returns and, oh, hold on just a second. Yeah, no, we're going to do sales return and allowances plus net sales. And so that gives us the sales revenue. And that is $127,000. Then we'll solve for the cost of goods sold, and that is net sales minus gross profit. So the net sales is $121,000 minus $43,000, and that gives us $78,000. And then finally we'll solve for the operating expenses. And in the reading, I found this portion to be a little more complicated than this exercise. There was a lot more to the operating expenses, but here they're keeping it simple, so that's nice. And we're just doing gross profit minus net income, and that is $25,400. So then we'll submit and check our answers, and that's it. Okay, now we're solving for the profit margin and gross profit rate. And we find the profit margin by dividing net income by net sales. So starting with the Faro Company, we know that their net income is $12,460, and we'll divide that by net sales, $81,800, and then we get 15.2%. We'll do Columber Company's profit margin, and that's $17,600. Divided by their net sales of $121,000, and we get 14.5%. For gross profit rate, it's similar, but it's gross profit divided by net sales. So we'll do 27,000 by 81,800 for the Faro Company, and we get 33%. For the Columber Company, their gross profit is $43,000 divided by their net sales of $121,000, and we get 35.5%. That's it for that, and we'll submit it and check our answers. And that's right. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.